Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, uh, we are seeing more of a flattish market in the international or mixed bag market internationally. US market was more of a flattish, and Asian markets are also indicating more of a mixed trend in today's morning, wherein we are seeing few markets are positive, whereas there are negative as well. Uh, Concerns regarding the Middle East geopolitical tensions are reducing. Uh, there were no fresh sign of any conflict again emerging, and that has kept the market cool. Apart from that, commodities are also indicating more of a flattish trend, wherein aluminum, iron ore, and steel are flat. Uh, Oil has seen a marginal up move of around $0.5 from the price of same time yesterday, and copper is also marginally up. So more of a sideway indications from the international market. Uh, Dollar index is continuously showing declining trend. In fact, it has made a new low in the market, and that may be the planned strategy of the US to depreciate dollar to increase export and reduce import. So that is all indicating indications from international market. What we expect that the Indian market again likely to remain more of a range bound, looking at the international scenario, and uh, may see some positive trend continuing in small cap and mid cap stocks. Now, I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday, Nifty managed to sustain the important resistance zone and given a good breakout of 25,200. Today, we expect positive open and we see some positive momentum to be continue in today's session. Upside next intraday resistance place around 25,300. Above that 25,370, 25,440 next important register for index. The important support place around 25,170, 25,100 at downside. In Nifty, the momentum indicator RSI also showing a positive crossover. So we expect this momentum to be continue in positive side. Bank Nifty also showing a positive momentum in yesterday's session. We expect some positive momentum in Bank Nifty if Bank Nifty break 56,840 range and close above that in weekly and this monthly expiry also. We expect this momentum towards 57,140 and 57,400 in upside. Downside, first majorly support place around 56,370, 56,140 is a major support for Bank Nifty. So both index looking a positive and both momentum indicator also showing a positive crossover in daily chart. Do we expect this positive momentum to be continued? Stock specific, Gland Pharma looks positive at current level. We already given a call in Gland Pharma, and we expect this momentum to be continued. Ambuja Cement also looks positive at current level. We expect some positive momentum towards 570, 580 in upside. Downside 550 is the first immediate support for Ambuja Cement. Aarti Industry also looks positive. JK Tire also technically looks positive at current level. Negative side, Vedanta are seeing some pressure in upper range and MRPL also showing a negative side. CG Power also struggle to break the upper range and trading below the important support zone. To we expect some pressure to be continuing this stock. That is for technical derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you very much. On the index front, as you witnessed that in yesterday's session, the buying was stable about 25,200 level and giving closing above that level, which is a positive sign. and due to which we have witnessed that there was a strong addition from the put writer front between 25,000 to 25,300 strike. The major addition was at 25,200 level, which was a major breakout zone. Against that, we are seeing that at 25,000 and 25,100 strike, the Colorado positions have started to get liquidated, and on the upside, the position shifting which we are witnessing right now is at 25,500 to 25,800 levels. So currently, strength seems to be the positive front, as we are also seeing that the gift nifty is likely to open 40-50 points on the positive front. It is also a positive sign. And another positive data which we witnessed yesterday for us from the PCROI and India VIX zone. India VIX again cooled off yesterday by 5%, giving close near 13 levels. So these are the stable point, and we will expect the PCR is trading at the lower end, due to which the volatility will be lower while in the coming days of trading session. While PCROI yesterday closed at a 1.13 level, giving a shoot of almost around 0.28 basis points, due to which the put writer positions have added up sharply against the call writer positions and giving strength to the market on the positive front. So currently, market seems to be on the positive front. Hold a long position. New long position can be also created for the upside level to a 25,500 to 25,800 level. The intraday support for the market lies near 25,100 level on the spot basis, while on the stock and sector specific front, BSOF, LTF, and PNB housing looks positive, while on the negative front, Dixon Tech, Scient, and Petronet looks negative. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. On the IPO front, the offer for Indogulf Crop Science Limited is opening for subscription today and closing on 30th June. The price band at upper end is set at rupees 111, and the total issue size is of rupees 200 crore. The total issue consists of fresh issue worth rupees 160 crore and the offer for sale rupees 40 crore. Also, the proceeds from the fresh issue would be utilized for the company's working capital requirements, debt repayment, and the capex as they have planned for the dry flowable plant in Haryana. Indogulf Crop Science Limited is an agrochemical company based out in Delhi. It has expertise in crop protection, plant nutrition, and biologicals. It is operating 4 manufacturing units, where it exports over 34 countries and maintains a robust domestic presence with around 22 states and 3 union territories. It has around 7,000 distributors across its operations. It has backward integrated operations and manufactures key technical grade actives in-house. That provides better cost control and improved operational efficiencies. Further, it is actively investing in sustainable and biological formulations and to be competitive in the global market. Indogulf Crop Science has reported around 619 crore of revenue, and it is growing at a CAGR of around 6% with an EBITDA margin in the range of 9 to 11%. This is broadly in line with the industry average. It has delivered below average asset turnover ratio and maintained higher debt to equity ratio compared to its peers. Return ratios are marginally above peer averages, and it is expanding its presence across export markets. The dry flowable plant is expected to improve the margins in the future. However, execution and the required returns would be a key monitorable. So at P valuation of 24 times, Indogulf appears reasonable compared to its peers. Thus, we recommend neutral to the IPO. Thank you.
Yeah, one or two news which has come. Like NATO has NATO has agreed to increase the spending on the defense from to around 5% by 2035, 5% of GDP. So that was expected, but this can influence some export from India, wherein Indian companies now have focus on exports, and this can support the requirement from Indian company as well as low cost manufacturing. We had seen in recent past that company like Bharat Forge has received a large order from international market over 5,000 crores, and this can support like companies which are in export and active. Apart from that, another company that is JSW Energy has signed a PPA for 300 megawatt solar wind hybrid capacity with NHPC, and this will be developed over a period of 24 months, and the power agreement is for 25 year at 3.49 rupees. So this will help to increase the portfolio of renewable energy for JSW Energy. So this is what good for them. That's all from us, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here. Harshal?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting a pullback in gold and silver, wherein silver looks positive. One can enter long around 1 lakh 5,500 with a stop loss of 1 lakh 4,000. On upside, we are expecting 1 lakh 7,000 to 8,000 levels. So buying on dips in silver is recommended. Gold, however, one can initiate a buy around 97 200 with a stop loss of 96 900. On upside, 97 700 to 800 are the levels where one can book profits. Also, for trading purpose, 97 800 900 one can initiate a sell with a strict stop loss of 98 200. And in metals, copper looks positive. One can buy on dips with a stop loss of 882. On upside, expected to test 895 898 levels. Also, zinc looks positive. One can buy on dips. Prices are expected to test 260 on upside. So buying on dips around 256 is recommended with a stop loss of 254. And in crude oil, expecting a bounce back, one can initiate a buy with a strict stop loss of 55.20. And on upside again 5700 5750 one should take profits. Natural gas too, prices are expected to pull back, so buying around 305 levels with a stop loss of 295 is recommended. On upside, expecting 320 25 where one can book profits. That's it from us. Thank you very much.